Huh? Right. You look a big movie star, man. They can look a movie star, man.
You don't know me long time, right?
Where them wanna come from? Where you come from? The girl look a movie star. You're Jamaican? You're supposed to name Aki and Starfish and a lot of things, you know.
You can't really tell you where we come from down there, though.
If you say it, a man's water every drink down here. And white rum and cane juice.
Like Aki and Starfish, a piece of fried pork.
And a man's water you talk about.
Really love curry goat with rice. You know, like rice and peas, though. I love curry.
I lie.
Rice. And, well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too.
You better believe
it. I love goat belly soup.
A man's water in him.
My mother used to make hot food.
Man's water in him.
We don't get that no more.
A man's water in him, man. And you're alright. My God. I'll find that. I knew I could there alright.
Jamaica, the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people.
We're warm down here. We have nice dishes down here. We can't cook good down here. We can't cook good down here, that's one thing.
Where you come from, what you look like.
We can't cook down here, so now for yourself. We can't. You better know because we can't cook down here, myself. Myself, we can't cook down here. It's we are talking about a man's water. A man's water you talk about. We can't cook and we can't do everything down here.
From a long time ago, Yellow Man.
Yellow Man, alright, you know it. Him sing on Blueberry's Hill.
Blueberry artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. One thing
on Blueberry's Hill, man.
Different style. Blueberry Hill.
Yeah, but I've been singing all the time. Me I tell you him bad. Him bad.
Is there anything else you'd like to ask?
Well, I don't know, because enough people watch this video and they probably wonder why me I put this on the internet.
No, put it on it.
Without the man in Jamaica.
Put it on it.
Because she on the internet all the time.
Put it on it because Yellow Man are Blueberry. Now what you say? We are Jamaican.
People believe say white people come from Jamaica. The Jamaican motto.
Yes.
Is out of many.
One.
People.
Yes.
So you got all different kind of people.
Yes.
In
Yes.
I'm just an example of.
Now what you say? You look good still with the on the internet, you know. Me like how you look good. One oven, I always have an oven, one to water. Hello, ma'am. Are you an actress? You look so nice to your tall ears flowing down. What are you, ma'am? You look so good. I love how you look, ma'am. Just. Huh?
What?
We like Yellow Man. We like Yellow Man. Yellow Man always sing on Blueberry's Hill. And we love that. Him and his wife.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Right?
Take care.
We love you to come back again, man. Sing Yellow Man and Blueberry's Hill. And
you know, they Jamaica no more, you know.
me that find myself too. And me I talk about Blueberry's Hill. I'm coming back on here I'm coming back in what you call it? Wait, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day I'm coming back to Jamaica to deal with Yellow Man with Valentine's love. I'm coming back to Jamaica. I'm abroad now. I'm coming back down to Jamaica to deal with Valentine's love. Me like what you said, you know, in talk about the curry goat and the ray. And you talk, it's a man's water you talk about a man's water. You know what you said? Forward.